Purim has 4 customs or commandments. Firstly, the reading of the book of Esther. We read and remember the story of redemption, a true miracle. In order to teach the next generation, the kids sit with us. They especially enjoy making noise with a rashan to eradicate the memory of Haman. Secondly, the giving of Purim baskets to neighbors and to friends. Esther 9 mentions sending portions one to another. Usually people give some sweets and Purim cookies, but feel free to be creative. Of course, these baskets should be just a pleasant gesture and not a competition. The goal is to increase mutual friendships and harmony. Thirdly, gifts for the poor. During Purim, it is customary to give charity to the poor. During the rest of the year, we should be watchful and know the difference between those that are really poor and those that aren't. However, during Purim, we give to whoever puts out her or his hand. Fourthly, eat, drink, and be merry. Purim entails being happy, enjoying good food, a nice party, and the drinking of wine. Whoever is sensitive to alcohol should drink less, and whoever knows alcohol will hurt them or cause them to sin shouldn't drink it at all, of course. Another custom is to dress up, wear costumes or makeup as part of the celebrations and parties. Chag Purim Sameach.